Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact slide you want to change, then go directly to the View tab. Once there, make sure ruler and grid settings are visible so you can adjust precisely. You need the grid menu to remove grid lines. Click Grid and Guides to reveal options. This is where PowerPoint stores the toggle. You do this now to avoid guessing where lines come from and to confirm whether they are grid lines or guides before you hide them. Now, in Grid and Guides, uncheck Display Grid on Screen to remove the visible grid lines immediately. You should see the slide clear up. If objects are snapping awkwardly, also uncheck Snap Objects to Grid so you can fine-tune placement without jumping. Make sure to apply only to the current presentation unless you want global behavior changed. Use the Apply button when present. Once done, inspect a couple of slides to confirm objects stayed aligned. Finish by verifying that guides, which are distinct from grid lines, are also hidden if you don't want them showing. Use View to toggle guides off. If grid lines still appear, return to Grid and Guides and double-check the checkboxes, then save and restart PowerPoint. This often clears display glitches. If problems persist, reset the view by creating a new blank slide and copying content there. You will avoid lingering view settings and complete the cleanup quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.